I'm called Ahazas Nathaniel, and she's called Paris Ahazas. She's my wife. We decided to have a house that can be enough for us and what we can afford. Yeah, initially we wanted to go for Dekra. We thought sometimes this area can have a problem with water. We started doing searching. This Mabati, from its orientation, it's smooth on top. At least dust cannot hang on it for long. At least it can pass good water. It's actually who wanted black.
That was
I
my
think
choice.
she's always motivated with black. You can see even her
I
from
love
what.
black. Yes. So it's me who came up with that color.
Yeah, when we were searching on the net, we came about so many companies, and we narrowed down on Imarisha because of their consideration on the delivery, the guarantee, even saying all their Mabatis are marked by the KEBS mark. They have their emblem on the same. So one of the easiest ways is also to look around, especially on a roof that has stayed for some time. Then you go for it, because in the market there are many products. As I was searching on the net, that's where I sent a message to you, and one of your sales rep, by a lady by the name Salome, who served us so well, responded, and from there we moved on.
Hello, I believe you've seen roofing should be an experience. It's not about the product or the event or just roofing your house. It's about building your next roof dream. If you have a dream, you can actualize it only at Imarisha Mabati. All you have to do is just go to our website www.imarishamabati.co.ke and select your favorite profile. Free delivery is guaranteed and quality is also guaranteed. At Imarisha Mabati, we believe that when you deliver your roof, we are sheltering the experience.